Affairs.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
From everyone at the station, happy holidays.
From everyone at the station, blah, blah, Happy holidays. Hey, 85 days to go before Christmas. We have a new month, October 1. Yay! Welcome, welcome, welcome October. So far, wala pa ako nakikitang yung post na, yun? October, please be good to me. Pati yung mga month na papagdiskitahan, January, please be good to me. February, please be good to me. Sabi tuloy ng mga buwan, ba't inaano ka ba, ha? Inaano ka ba? Yung mga months, huwag kayong mag-alala. Wala kayong kasalanan. Mga papansin. Okay. Nagwi-wish lang naman tayo na it would be a good month for us all, no? Tama, no? No. You know, September has always been good to me. Ako sa akin. September has always been good to me. So, same goes. Itong the September edition that has been very, very good to me was 2023. Ayan. Kasi nung 2023, a lot of things happened. Sumali ako sa Subic Bay Got Talent. I won first runner-up. Yun. Hindi lang gaanong putok. Walang gaanong nagbunyi. Kasi alam mo yun, alam mo yung mga, it was, I joined the employees category ng SBMA. Ayan. Nagkataon kasi nung time na yon, I was at the wrong place. Di ba? Kasi, alam mo, yung mga ibang below me ha, hindi below me. Yung mga below me, yung mga placer lang, fifth place, fourth place, pinagbunyi sila ng mga departamento nila. Di ba? Pero ako, I won first runner-up next to the champion. Pero, di ba? It only proves it only proves the saying, you can be the most talented, the most creative, the most fit person for the job. Pero if you're at the wrong place, you don't serve their personal interests, you will always be treated like dirt. Yeah, that's true. Ganun lang yun. Kasi hindi importante yung achievement mo, hindi importante yung nagawa mo, hindi importante yung gaano kagawa, importante yung gusto naming mangyari. Yung mga gusto namin, kami masusunod dito. Yun ang problema. You're just at the wrong place. Now I'm happy. I'm at the right place, 'di ba? At the right radio station din, no? Okay? So I'm very, very happy. I would like to thank Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM Olongapo. I love you, Radyo Bandera. The management and everybody. I love you guys. Maraming salamat. Itong mga to, marunong no? Marunong. Na-recognize nila yung, alam nila kung sino yung, kung ano yung kapakinabangan mo, ano yung, at saka they treat you right, di ba? Because, well, you serve them well din, di ba? Ganoon, give and take, di ba? Hindi yung, hindi yung, gusto nyo, kayo lang yung bida. Para namang, sabi pa nung, ay, oo, totoo yun. Kasi pag lagi mong tinatag, nagiging sa'yo yung location. Ay, ang syunga. Kaya napunta yung red pin ni Google sa location mo dahil dineclare mo yun. Tangi. Ay, sorry. Bawal pa na magsalita. Sorry. Nadala lang ako. Pagka daw, yung location ng business mo, kahit na government office pa yan, walang mali doon. Ginagamit mo yung government office. Kasi nga daw, laging tinatag kayo napunta ron. Ay, ginawa akong bata. Ay, totoo, DJ Tommy G. Pag laging tinatago, nangyayari yun. Nakakatawa. Kung gusto nyo kayo yung bobo, kayo na lang. Huwag nyo na ako idamay. Kayo na lang yung bobo, huwag nyo na ako idamay. Ang bobobo, nakakainis. Personal business, ginagawang office address, government office. Tapos sabi nung bossing, ay, totoo, lagi niya kasing kinatag kaya nangyari yun. The 4Bs. Isang B, dalawang B na B. At isa pang B. Tsaka ko na i-reveal ko ano yung 4 Bs. More or less may idea na yung mga close sa akin, yung mga alam na nila. Tsaka alam nila kung sino yung magnanakaw. Diba? Alam nila kung sino. Yun ang the best dun no? Alam nila kung sino yung totoong tao. Uy! Ang saya-saya. Alam mo yan, yung masarap na feeling no? Yung alam ng tao sa paligid na totoong tao ka, hindi ka hindi ka plastic, hindi ka manggagamit, hindi ka nang mamanipulate lang para to get ahead of everybody. Diba? Yung hindi ka nag-create ng fake account para lang sabihing hinahanap ka, in demand ka. I've seen this DJ in a Canadian wedding and he said he's a DJ at the radio of sort. Wala siya rin pala yung may post. Parang syunga. Ay, nakakahiya. Nalaman ng lahat, di nakakahiya, di ba? Nakakahiya ka dong. Chua! Siya ang humaba na yung nag-rant agad no? Ay! 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 Holidays and observances. October 1, October 1. Ginagalit mo ako Okay. Tama na. October 1, syempre, holidays and observances tayo. Ayan, ang ating usual stuff that we do here whenever it's a new episode. Syempre, what are the October 1 holidays and observances? Sabi nga. Ayan. Pero syempre, this is being brought to you muna by Angel's Pizza, Olongapo City, located at number 395 Fenler Street, Rizal Avenue Extension. Yan. You may call or text for orders, For orders, 0927-117-9020. Yan, yung kanilang call or text hotline, 0927-117-9020. Yan. Angel's Pizza, 395 Rizal Avenue, Fenler Street, Rizal Avenue Extension. And they are open from 8 a.m. until 12 midnight. Hanggang midnight, bukas sila. Uy, okay. And they would like to invite you to try the Mozzarella Heaven. Starts at 395. Hallelujah, mozzarella. If you love it cheesy, this one's for you. Stretch that cheesy craving to the max. Say hello to Angel's Pizza Mozzarella, loaded with rich, melty mozzarella cheese in every bite. Perfectly gooey, irresistibly cheesy, and made for true cheese lovers. Okay? So, available at Angel's Pizza Olongapo for delivery or advance orders. You may call or text 0927-117-9020. The Mozzarella Heaven. Visit their Facebook page. They're more than just pizza for you to see the entire menu. Yan, marami pang iba. Okay. Here are today's holidays and observances. Asahan nyo na pag first day of the new month, marami yan. October 1 is Defenders of Ukraine Day in Ukraine. Alam niyo naman yung situation nila doon ngayon, di ba? They are battling, Unification Day in Cameroon. That's a very far place from us. Also, today is Teacher's Day in Uzbekistan. Layo din sa atin, So, kung Defenders of Ukraine Day, eto naman, Ground Forces Day naman for Russia. Yung ground forces nila, gumagapang sa ground against the Defenders of Ukraine. That's sadly, yun ang situation, They're still at war. Sana matapos na yun, Di ba? Tama na. Can't you guys just get along? Di ba? Ayoko naman kumampi, kaya lang, ito naman kasing Russia. Ang laki-laki na ng territory mo. If I have the biggest territory in the world, just let go. Yeah, let go. Yung kumawala sa'yo. Anyways, ang hirap i-maintain, ang hirap alagaan ng napakalaking bansa, di ba? Yung Pilipinas nga lang, sumasakit ang ulo ko Yung mga mahilig sa K-pop, Armed Forces Day ngayon sa South Korea. O yung anak nyo rin ba? Kamusta yung mga anak nyo? Nilamon na rin ba ng sistema ng K-pop Demon Hunter? Lang niya. Mga bata ngayon, pagkagising, gonna be golden. Kumakanta, sumasayaw. Nagsa-cellphone, kumakanta, yan yung song. Saka yung Soja Boys ba yun? Saja Boys. Bahala kayo, basta boys. Ayun. Kinain na ng sistema. K-pop Demon Hunters, What else for October 1? Meron pa, CD Player Day. The CD is one of the greatest inventions of mankind, di ba? Alam mo, ito nakakatuwa sa CD, no? Kaya pala CD ang tinawag dyan. O, yung mga pangontra dyan, sasabihin kagad, alam namin kasi compact disc, CD. Hindi talaga yun ang pinaghuhugutan noon. Alam niyo talaga pinaghuhugutan noon, ganito yan. Una, cassette tape muna, di ba? Sa cassette tape, may side A, may side B. A and B. Natural, yung susunod, CD. A, B, CD. Hindi ko naisip yun, CD Player Day, October 1. International Beautiful World Day. Beauty, tapos full, puno. Beautiful. The world really is full of beauty. And International Coffee Day pa rin. Kahapon pa to 2 days ba to? 2 days? I don't know. Kahapon din kasi nabasa ko International Coffee Day September 30. Alam nyo kahapon, speaking of September 30, kawawa naman yung mga taga Cebu, no? Yung earthquake na naganap. Gabi na no? Gabi. Maraming natutulog na. Tapos inalog sila, niyugyug, so nagising, no? Tapos katapusan ng September. Yun ang literal na translation ng Wake me up when September ends. I'm not trying to make fun of ang tinutukoy ko lang yung situation, yung kanta, no? Literal na wake me up when September ends. Tulog sila, nagising dahil sa lindol, tapos katapusan ng September. Nagkataon. Okay, speaking of wake me up when September ends, International Music Day! Let's do a lot of music. Huwag na tayo magsalita. Puro music na lang. Black Dog Day, Green City Day, Hair Day, Lace Day, Walk Your Dog Day, ang dami. Vegan Baking Day. Uy, gusto ko yan. Ibe-bake yung mga vegan. Vegan Baking Day. Willy Wonka Day. World Vegetarian Day. Yun. Tsaka yung Yom Kippur. Yom Kippur is ablagajag. Ayan na, hirap paliwanag. Okay, so there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances. October 1, 2025. Mabuhay!